Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a really cool tip, and it's not how to create a thread, but it's how to make the ends, the tips of the threads really nice and smooth transition, as you can see here. Unfortunately right now Fusion don't have this functionality. When you create a thread, it's just gonna cut it in the end, and I'm sure you know what I mean. And many of you have also noticed a lot of people have been struggling to figure out how to make it like this, you know, really nice and smooth in the end. So I'm gonna show you now a really nice, cool tip, and it's very simple and very easy to make. So without further ado, let's start. I'm gonna start everything from the beginning. So let's create a new sketch, a new file, start with a new component. I'm gonna create a cylinder first. Let's give it 50. Next, extrude it 25. That's okay. And now we're gonna create the thread. We're gonna use the coil and take it all the way to 50. Here we're gonna make sure the section sorry, that it's a triangular and external, and it's not going to be a cut, it's going to be a new body, and it's up to you how many revolution that you want. The section size is going to be 5. I think it's going to be more appropriate for this one, and we're going to drop it down here. Yeah, something like that. Let's see. A little bit closer, and yeah, that looks good. And let's see if we missed something. Height, while everything looks fine. Good. Let's see if, yes, so far so good. Now I just want to push it down a little bit, and this is also why I've chose new body. So I'm just gonna move it down, place it, and that's fine. So now the fun start. This is where usually you get and you're thinking, oh my god, okay, that looks fine, but you know, the tips are really not nice, they're not ending correctly, it doesn't make any sense also for production. So what are we going to do now? Okay, first we're just gonna keep it, you know, two bodies separated, and then we're just gonna combine it later. What we're gonna do now, just follow my steps, and then you understand while I'm continuing, you understand why I'm doing what I'm doing. So first of all, I'm just gonna create a sketch on this face here. Just gonna create a line, straight line from the tip to about here. That's fine. Finish the sketch, and now we are going to choose plane at angle. We're gonna go to the sketch we just created, and then we make sure that it's 90 degrees pointing this direction, as you can see. Click OK. Next, make a new sketch on this plane here. I'm just gonna turn it, and I'm gonna choose here the slice. It's gonna be easier. Next, we're gonna project this point here. Okay, and now I'm gonna choose the arc. I already have them, you know, here in the shortcuts. 3 point. Start from here, and we're gonna go all the way, I don't know, let's just say over here. So make sure you're going a little bit below the line here, and yeah, and now we just make sure, let's see about the dimension of this arc. Here it says 11, yeah, that's fine. Let's say 11.5, for example. Good. And yep, and that's it. Basically all we gotta do now, you can see how the magics happen. We're gonna use the swipe command, and I want you also to turn off the body, the cylinder itself. And I'm gonna choose this face that we want to swipe, and the path, it's gonna be this one. Now it's on a cut because it knows there is a body below. So we're going to do join. We're gonna join it to the thread, and that's it. You click OK. Now we can turn back the body, and voila, look at that. Very simple. And you can choose any kind of shape you want to make actually in the end, same technique. So now let's go continue with the other side. Exactly the same. We're gonna create a sketch on top of this face. It's gonna be a straight line from the tip. Doesn't matter the length here. And we're going to create a plane at angle. Make sure it's 90 degrees. Yeah, that's good. And we're gonna create a sketch here. I'm just gonna turn it around, and we're gonna slice it. Next, we're gonna project this point here. Click OK. We're gonna go to the arc, 3-point arc. Choose this one, and with something about here, just below. And now we're just gonna make sure we got the dimension right, 11.5, and I think it's the same. If not, you know, we can always take this one here and see if we can drag this one. Nope. So we can just remove this dimension, and now we can manipulate it. I think it was something about here. Let's try again. It looks much better. 11.5. Voila. And then just stop the sketch. And here we go. Now we're just going to the swipe command. Choose this face. And remember, I just turned off this body, the cylinder. And we choose the path. And choose from the operation the joint, and OK. Now we can just turn the body back on, and voila, that's it. It's very, very simple, very easy, and you can just create any kind of shape. You can make it a little bit more straight, more longer. Very simple. Now we can left us to do actually just to combine them. So we choose this one and this one here. We don't want to cut, we want to join, keep tooling. Yeah, that's fine. Actually, no, we don't want to keep tooling. Sorry, my bad. And OK, and that's it. Here we go. Next, what you can actually also do, make it a little bit nicer. Create a fillet here of 0.4, something like that. It's going to look a bit nicer. And here you go. Essentially exactly the same what I did here. Here it's a little bit just shorter, you know, the tip. But yeah, this is it for today. I hope you enjoy it. Next time you're going to create your own threads. So you know also how to create your own tip. And if you have any question, just put it down below the comments. If you like this tip and trick, so just don't forget to hit the thumbs up. And if you're not a member yet, then don't forget to subscribe. New movies are coming soon, and I'll see you next time, next video. Bye bye.